Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Fiverr weekly concessions. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about the application of Fiverr and you will click. In this window of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.